Hello friends, welcome to Bill's Coaching. In this video, we are going to solve this question. Interesting question, and question goes like this. One person says, friend, if you give me 100, I'll become twice as rich as you. Then the other person says, if you give me 10, I'll become 6 times as rich as you. So now we have to calculate amount both person have. Nice question. So as usual, pause this video for some time and try to solve it by yourself, and then come back again to verify your answer. You can always follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And with this, let us begin with the solution. As question suggests, as you can see in question, it is said two persons are involved. So what we'll do, we'll take wealth of one person as X, other person as Y. Okay, so let first person has X or rupees X and second person has rupees Y. Okay, this is a simple equation which we have assumed right now. X and Y are the values. Now if you read the first line, it was like this. If you give me 100, first person is telling to second person, okay, if you give me 100, so X will gain 100 and Y will lose 100. I will become twice as rich as you, so 2 times as rich as you. This is one equation, right? So let me solve this. So this will become 100 to Y and this will become minus 200. Expansion of brackets. Now X and Y terms are here. Let me bring X and Y on this side. So this will become 2Y, which will be equal to minus 200 minus 100, and we get 2Y is equal to minus 300, and this is our equation 1. Right? Okay, so till this you must have understood. Now just go to second statement, and second statement was like, second person says, if you give me just 10 rupees. So second person is getting just 10. So we can say if second person is getting 10, this person will lose 10, right? From him he'll be taking 10. So we can say this person is losing 10. And he said, I'll become 6 times as rich as you. So we'll say 6 times as rich as you, right? So this will become Y plus 10 will be equal to 6X minus 60. Simple thing now, what we have to do, we have to just arrange X and Y properly. This is 6X, okay? So, yeah, what I'll do, 6X minus Y will become 10 plus 60. I brought this 60 on this side and Y on that side. Arrange this, so what we'll get 6X minus Y will be equal to 70, and this is our equation 2. Correct? Okay, now we got equation 1. Let me write equation 1 over here again. Equation 1, so this is X minus 2Y equal to minus 300. This was equation 1. I wrote it again, this one. Now we have to solve this. Since we have linear equation in 2 variables, we have 3 methods with us. Actually 4 methods, graphical method is also there, but we'll use elimination method, which is more simple now. For this equation, since I have to make this same, let me multiply it by 2 and this multiplied by 1. Actually this is not required actually. Now what we'll get, 6X minus 2Y, sorry, this will become 12X minus 2Y is equal to 140, and this will become X minus 2Y will be equal to minus 300. Clear? Very simple thing. We have just multiplied by 2 to make this coefficient same. Now this became same. We can just apply a formula. What we'll do, we'll cancel out this, as our method says. This will become as 11X and this will become 440. Clear? So X became 11X, so we can say 440 upon 11. So X we can say 40. 4 4s are and 0. Clear? This is equation 3. Now we can substitute this in either equation 1 or in equation 2, whichever we want. Let me substitute x equal to 40 in equation 2. So what we'll get, in place of x we are writing 40, this minus 2y will remain as it is, and this will become minus 300. Now we have to just solve this. Let me keep minus 2y over here only. So what we'll get, minus 2y will be equal to minus 300 minus 40. This minus sign, this will go minus 300. So what we can get, this will be minus 340. Y will become minus 340 upon minus 2, and y will become 170. Got how much amount first person had? So first person had rupees 40 and second person has rupees 170. Let me write this. Therefore, first person has rupees 40 only. Let me write in short form only. First person rupees 40 and second person has rupees 170 only. And these are the answers. Right? So this was a very simple problem based on linear equation in two variables. So hope you all must have understood this problem by now, and this problem 10th standard student should be able to solve these problems. Okay, so thank you so much for watching our video. Do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to share these questions with your friends, families and relatives, and you can always ask us questions related to maths, physics and concepts like this. We are going to make videos based on your questions. Thank you so much and see you in next video.